In this video, I will help you to learn how to add through an activity. We are going to use this card for performing addition. Let's say you have 3 cards and your friend has 2 cards. Now you need to count the total number of cards that you and your friend have. How do you calculate? The symbol used for addition is, this is the symbol. Now we need to calculate the sum. As I said, I am going to use the cards now. Here we have number 3, which means we need to place 3 cards over here. So 1, 2, 3. For number 3, I have placed 3 cards. Next step is for number 2, we need to place 2 cards. So 1, 2. In order to calculate the sum, now we have to count all the cards together. Now let's start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 cards altogether. So the sum is 5. Now we will calculate what is 7 plus 3. In the place of 7, I am going to keep 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the place of 3, I am going to place 3 cards now. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to count all the cards together. Now let's start counting it from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the sum is number 10. Now let's keep 10 cards over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I have placed the cards instead of numbers. Now we are going to count the number of cards and we are going to write the statement here. Now let's start with this card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 cards here. So I have written number 8 plus. Now we are going to count the number of cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to write 4. Now we have to count all the cards together to find the sum. Now let's start counting it from number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the sum is 12. We need to place 12 cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.